besides that, it's getting so hot outside, so this will be the perfect snack to cool you down with. So we have all of our ingredients that we need. We need some cupcake cookies, get them in different types of styles. Some blueberries, some raspberry, and of course, Greek yogurt. So let's get started. We're going to open the yogurt. This one happens to be vanilla. The next one I'm going to use is going to be called key lime pie. That'll give us some flavor. I think that one had a part. And the next one is strawberry. So we're going to take our spoon and we're going to put key lime pie in one. Blueberries in there. Let's make a face. There's an eye. There's a big eye. And a nose. Oh, we're making a mouth. Now that we filled all the cups and we placed the food in there, of course I made some silly faces in here and you can see. So what you're going to do now is you're going to put this in the freezer for about 1 to 2 hours, and once it's frozen you can take them out and begin to eat them. Okay you guys, now that it's been in the freezer for a couple of hours, this is what the finished product looks like. Hello, I'm ready to eat. So I hope you guys enjoy this. I hope you enjoy this healthy, cool snack for these hot days that we have out here today, and I'll see you next time. Thank you.